Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm gonna share with you my recipe of super healthy and delicious snowballs candies, and I will also mention all vitamins and minerals which are in the ingredients, so let's get started. You will need 2 bananas, 100 grams of almonds or a half a cup, 150 grams of walnuts or about 1.5 cups, and coconut flakes. So put all nuts into a blender and let them blend. 100 grams of almonds or a half a cup has about 20 grams of protein, vitamin E, magnesium, copper, vitamin B2 and phosphorus. Then blend the walnuts. 150 grams of walnuts have about 36 grams of protein and vitamin A, vitamin B6, E, iron, magnesium, phosphorus, zinc, and other. Then take a big blender jar and put 2 bananas into a blender. It will be a good natural sweetener, and these 2 bananas have about 2 grams of protein, and this is a good source of vitamins and minerals such as potassium, vitamin B6 and vitamin C. Once your banana smoothie is done, put it into a large bowl to your nuts and mix it. When it looks like a dough, take a cute plate and form the balls. And you won't make the balls until you roll them in the coconut flakes. Repeat it with your whole dough. You can also form the balls taking one whole almond in the middle and create something like a secret candy. These snowballs have about 58 grams of protein, and it's actually the most healthy candy that I've ever cooked. When your snowballs are ready, put it to the fridge for 30 minutes. I really hope that you liked this video today, guys, and I hope you want to try out my recipe, and you will find it in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Have an awesome day. Bye!